Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Job Sharing Series. What does we do? We share job openings to the people, those who are looking for a job, and all the followers, those who are subscribers. Right. So let's start with the first news. Before that, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job openings I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from URL because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. Right. Now let's start with the first job role, which is L3. So guys, first of all, I'll clear. There is job for freshers and for experience as well. Okay, so make sure to watch entire videos. So this is for L3 SOC Analyst. This is a nice shift job, and the other key responsibility you need to investigate the high complex cases and all those things. You need to work as L1, L2, SOC, SIEM. Okay, and the other five, this one required 5 years of experience, right? And this is a contact number on which you can message if you have any question, if you want to apply anything. Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship on SOC, you can check out this one. Now, next opening is basically in Secure 7. They are hiring for internship. This is paid and this require no experience, right? This is a paid internship. This is on site. This is there are things what you are going to learn, right? Why does opportunity matters? Because what makes you great fit. If you have knowledge about all those basics, then you'll get hired, right? This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume and then you will get hired, right? Now the next opening is basically L3 SOC analyst night shift. Again, I have added this one. SOC analyst remote job, which is SOC intern, right? Again, this is for freshers. This is the mail ID on which you can apply. You can send your resume, and this is a remote job. And 3 to 6 months of internship is there. Pre-PO will be provided, which is pre-placement order, right? So this might be a good opportunity. And if you want to join web application pen testing internship, you can check out the TCI URL, vihgroup.com/TCI. Now next is in Riyadh, right? There are around 6 openings. First thing is for freshers L1, for freshers L2. No, for freshers is not L2. It's required 2 years of experience. 6 years of experience required for SOC manager, incident response manager 6+ year, and all those things required, right? This is a mail ID on which you could drop a resume, and this is for Riyadh. Those who want to move there, Saudi Arabia. TAC tech engineers, network security engineers is the position that is being getting hired from Movate. Movate is the company name, right? They are hiring for network security engineer. 1.6 to 3 years of experience is required in networking, and immediate joiners are preferable. If you have all those knowledge, then this is 1 year of experience is required, right? 1 year of experience in network security. This is good to go. This is the mail ID. Rangita dot Rajan Dinakaran@movate.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is at network administration, right? Immediate start $400 to 500. That is what they're going to pay you, right? Plus upper. Okay, so this is contract position, and someone is hiring for network role, right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next one is network engineer, smart city project in MP. Okay, Satana is the place where they are looking for smart city project. 2.8 to 4.2 they can pay. Negotiation can happen, right? This is a full-time job. This is a project a smart city ICCC ITMS deployment. Okay, Technosys group is hiring. This is what they're looking for. Key responsibilities: you need to work for the LAN, WAN, and wireless network infrastructure and all those things, right? What are the key requirements? These are things which is key requirement. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is network security professional. 4+ years of experience is required. 30 day of notice period. Hands-on experience and all those things required. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is ITGC specialist is being hired as a location of Chennai. Okay, US shift is there. ITGC testing and audit, first line control, all those things required. BTech, AppTech, MCF, CTC is as per industry standard, and 60 days of immediate joining is there. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Cybersecurity analyst and trainer is the position. Full-time employment is there. Key requirement is all those things, right? And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? This is what they're hiring: cybersecurity analyst and trainer, right? SOC VAPT audit. Now that's all for you guys. From tomorrow itself, training of internship program on web application pen testing is getting started. So join this one and you'll not regret, right? So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.